Hi guys, this is Wilfred. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be something just simple. I've been working on today morning. I thought I could fix a few problems that I'm experiencing with the car today, and the main problem that I'm having is power. As you can see from here, this power bank, if I could get a good zoom from there, let's try to get that focus. Yeah, it says it has an input of 5 volts and 2 amps here. Oops, yeah, and has an output of 2.1. Yeah, let me zoom out and just get that focus. I hate this camera today. But anyway, it has an output of 5 volts and 2.1 amperes. So currently my setup includes this power bank, which is powering the Raspberry Pi here, and it's a Raspberry Pi, the second one, model 2. So I kind of have to stick a dongle there for Wi-Fi, and basically it also powers the chip that powers the car, that controls the car. And that is where I've been having a problem. You see, it's not enough to power both. All the setups I've been using, I've been even trying to stick some batteries under here, just they came with the car just from the manufacturer, but still it's not enough to push the car forward. I've been trying to solve this problem because the main challenge is whatever battery I put here, the weight has to be equal to the amount of power it can produce. Because say for example this power bank here, last time I checked up on it on a weighing scale, it clocked up to maybe around 200 grams. 200 grams might be small under all specs, but sure you, for this vehicle 200 grams is too heavy for it. And so what I've decided I'm gonna do, because even right now when I run the code, the problem is still the same. The car is running, but when you put it on the ground, it's not moving. It just doesn't have enough power to do so. And so what I've decided is to get another battery. Say for example here, so check this out. I think we can move this car forward here. And so I have this. I got this from China some time back, and what this is basically is let me get to that focus. It says here Yutong YT63 560AH 7.4 1100 milliampere hours. That's neat. And it's 10C 8.5 watt hours. And here this is a charger for it. It's called a balancer charger. Basically what a balancer charger is, it charges the batteries of this battery. It charges them individually as opposed to the normal charging systems whereby it just charges all of them at the same time, and it balances out the power that goes to each battery. So yeah, it looks good, but the problem, if you can see from this angle, it's let me see, it's kind of thick on one side like this, and this is not good. This is not good. This shows that it's messed up. I've been having it for a while. I've used it for a while, but it can't be used right now anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna have to change that. But the charger is fine. The charger specs are still quite neat. I've got and we have that on focus. I think I just have to go to manual focus on this thing because it's not, autofocus is not helping me that much. Let me get that. Yeah, so it has a DC 9 volts and 9 to 15 volts 1 amperes output of DC 8.4 volts and 12.6, and it's 1000 milliampere hours. It's a generic made in China device. So yeah, I'm gonna have to Google much on that to get manufacturer, but you can't get manufacturers for such things. They're just too generic. Yeah, so that's pretty much where I am right now. I'm gonna put up the stuff, the code and everything for my car here on my GitHub and my Medium profile, so you can go check them out there when you want to get more details. But at the same time, I think I've gone online, talk to guys at Neurocars, see whether they can get me another one of our type. Maybe 7 volts is going to be good, because this power bank here, the output is 5 volts. 5 volts is kind of on the lower side. It's good for the Raspberry Pi at 2.1 amperes, but to power this vehicle, I think this one requires maybe just 7 volts on the higher side. Yeah, and that's pretty much everything for now. Let me work on the code and everything, then I'll put them up on my Medium profile. You can go check them out. If you want more details about the project, my website is www.githuka.com. Check down there on the details, and I'll on the comments, drop me a comment if you have any question and I'll sort you out. Alright, I think that's for now. My name is Githuka and I approve this message.